Hi, okay though, we're going to do a quick audio test to prove that these two speakers are working perfectly before they go in the box and get shipped off. As you can see the setup, we've got the old NAD amp and a really old dusty teak CD player. I've got my iPad showing the spectrum analyzer and the two speakers set up here. And what I've done is I've set them up on mono and on A and on channel B so we can swap between the two speakers. Here's the serial numbers of the speakers. So you know that you're getting the correct speakers, and there's the other one. Okay, let's go on with the test.
Do you think of me sometimes? Do you ever make that climb up to the
Turn it up so you can hear both drivers working, or see both drivers working.
Sometimes silence is best. We just stand in the stars.
Fantastic little speakers, thank you.